very, very kind permission. Just a moment. If I write everything, if I say the wrong thing,
That's what justice is about. That's what it means.
That's the challenge with us lawyers. We respond to what we don't know. We don't know what I'm going to say. So I've been writing manually because we have not set up the gadgets. We didn't know this case of this kind of coming today. So now just for your information, because now the gadgets have been set up, I will now not be writing. But please, when you speak, say your name at the beginning and use a microphone. So we'll have them transcripted.
With a very kind permission, the matter is in my Morara, and I wish to grant the court's favor. I'll pick it up from where my learned senior Mr. Otieno left it, and urge us to go straight to Article 25 of the Constitution on rights that cannot be limited, Your Honor. One of the rights that cannot be limited, and while all other rights can be limited, is the right to fair trial. That is under Article 25C of the Constitution. Very quickly, Your Honor, I'll, with the ability, invite the court to read that together with the provisions of Article 52B, which my learned senior, where my learned senior left. 52B, Your Honor, is about the right of the accused person to be informed of the charge with sufficient detail to answer it. But, Your Honor, what has come out in the few minutes before, Your Honor, 50 sub Article 2B. Your Honor, it talks about what fair trial, all that is under Article 52, from 2A all through to 2, I believe, J. 52A all through to 50Q, Your Honor, is what constitutes fair trial. Such that, Your Honor, we stand before you this morning or afternoon, the accused person is clearly not able to understand, Your Honor, what is responding to. This is a provision, Your Honor, or this is a right, Your Honor, which cannot be limited. I invite court to find basis on those two articles, Your Honor, to reject the charge that have been read out. That's all from me.
I leave the floor to my learned senior.
Yes, Your Honor, I just wanted to say one or two things. Yes, Your Honor, my name is Eric Ulrich. Your Honor, you've been referred to articles to refresh what has been stated. But Your Honor, so that you are not told that this court cannot deal with the questions of constitutional interpretation, Your Honor, I also wish to refer this court to the Criminal Procedure Code, and I would want to make reference to sections 135 with regard to the framing of charges. Section 135 with regards to the framing of charges. And Your Honor,
it underpins the constitutional requirements that an accused person is entitled to sufficient information to be in a position to respond to the charges that are made against that person. Second, you have the jurisdiction and the discretion under Section 89 of the CPC to decline these charges if you are of the opinion, and Your Honor, we persuade you to be of this opinion, that the charge sheet before you does not insufficient material disclose a case to enable the accused person to take a plea. Your Honor, I'll finally say, and I think I have said this before, if we continue at this rate, we will have to seriously expand this course. Because, Your Honor, what it would mean is that any statement that a person can make under the free speech that is guaranteed in this country. Sometimes, yes, I can say something that can be offensive, but does that constitute a crime? It's the danger that we face with this kind of touching. And Your Honor, for those reasons, and being that these courts are temples of justice, there are games that can be played out there. And Your Honor, I think it is also important for me to say that this court has recognized, and the High Court, I think, has recognized the manner in which of late police have been conducting their arrests by way of abduction of those people they consider to be suspect. There is actually an order of the High Court that has directed that the police must comply with the law when it comes to effecting arrest. So when someone is abducted, like the accused was abducted, in clear contravention of a court order, and then he's brought here for the court to sanctify the actions, the illegal actions that have been undertaken. And the attempt to sanctify, Your Honor, those actions does not meet what is contained in our laws in terms of